Hello and welcome to another TechnoGoob video. Today I'll be doing the unboxing, overview, and initial build for the Bandai real grade 1:144 Gundam GPO1Fb full burner N plastic model kit. As we've seen with the real grade model so far, this has lovely box art and a really nice instruction booklet. Should be easy to build. The model is 4 bags of parts with 1 sticker sheet. It's molded in lots of colors and there should be some interesting gimmicks. This is one of my first real grade kits. Again, I'm just starting to relearn all of this. I've built models in the past, just need to remind myself what I'm doing and get my skills back up there. There will be some mistakes along the way, definitely be some mistakes along the way, and I'll share those too as learning experiences. Hopefully you can learn without having to make the mistakes. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and we can watch my progress. Eventually we'll be doing giveaways on the channel, giving away models that we build here, custom requests for builds. So if you have a model you want to see built or a color scheme you want to see a model built in, definitely let me know. Keep an eye on the videos here, the comments here, and also on Patreon or Instagram for more information coming up. As with other real grade kits that I've built, this has the new skeleton, which is really impressive how they mixed multiple plastics and multiple castings to actually get moving parts built into the same piece. It's very impressive and I like trying to figure out how they did it. The legs on this model are one of my favorite looks. Really well done, and the molding of different color plastics comes together and makes a great thing. Can't wait to see it done with panel liner. The parts of the chest don't all fit perfectly. I later figured out that I should have left 2 of these pieces out just to make the core fighter gimmick work better with the thrusters that extend through the chest. But at this phase I didn't realize that was how it worked, so I kind of made a mistake there. Note to self, I really need to learn to read Japanese. It would help a lot. The arm frames also have excellent detail and flexibility. The shoulder pads also have extending thrusters, and each set of thrusters actually spreads out as it extends, so there's a lot of really great detail in there. There is a clear piece for the inner head here, so eventually we'll be able to add an LED for eyes. Should be a breeze at a later model. Maybe I'll try that in the next one. So this is the first model I built with the core fighter unit as a separate piece, which is interesting. It's more complex and it doesn't really fit as tightly and or stably as I would think it should, but maybe that's my fault in the building, I'm not sure. The weapon set's pretty standard but cool. It's got the 2 beam sabers, a beam rifle, and the extending shield. Here's the completed model. It has some issues, mostly due to me and my learning curve. It's still a good model. While it's not really a playable model, it does pose well and it has a lot of details to look at. So even with my mistakes, I'm pretty happy with this model. The overall kit is very interesting, but definitely needs panel liner or accent color or a wash. And I'll be putting the stickers on later too. Next video should be a test of panel line accent colors from Tamiya to see how they look on this model. Okay, quick update. Here is the video of the finished model, or at least as finished as it's ever going to be. I used it to experiment with panel lining accent colors and learn some things, and I'll share that in a different video that's coming very soon. But it looks pretty good. There's some issues with it, and I'll explain those in the video. Thanks. So this has been the Bandai Real Grade Gundam GP01Fb full burner N in 1:144 scale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you right here for the next video.